Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is criminalization of begging. Why in news? On 3rd February 2025, the Bhopal District Collector issued an order prohibiting begging in all public places following a similar order issued in Indore a month earlier. The order criminalizes both giving and receiving alms and mandates the registration of FIRs for violations. About legal basis of order. The order was issued under Section 163 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which empowers the district magistrate or executive magistrate to issue prohibitory orders in cases of nuisance or apprehended danger. The law allows officials to direct individuals to abstain from specific acts in designated areas for a period of up to 2 months, extendable to 6 months by the state government. Non-compliance with the order is punishable under Section 223 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023. Begging laws in India. The first law against begging was the Bombay Prevention of Beggary Act 1959, rooted in colonial era vagrancy laws like the Bengal Vagrancy Laws 1943 and the Cochin Vagrancy Act 1945. The 1959 Act aimed to clear public spaces of destitute persons, leprosy patients and the mentally ill by sending them to institutions or detention centers. Mumbai still enforces the law, allowing police to detain homeless individuals without visible means of subsistence for up to 10 years. 2018 Delhi High Court ruling. The Delhi High Court decriminalized begging, ruling that poverty, not crime, is the root cause. The court held that the government must provide social security, and the presence of beggars highlights its failure in welfare measures. Section 11, which penalizes forced begging, remains valid. Despite this, several states, including Maharashtra, continue to criminalize begging based on the 1959 Act. Central government and other states' approach. In 2018, activists urged the repeal of anti-begging laws, arguing that trafficking and forced begging can be addressed through existing laws rather than blanket criminalization. The Persons in Destitute Protection, Care and Rehabilitation Model Bill 2016 proposed repealing the Beggary Act and setting up rehabilitation centers in each district. However, discussions on the bill stalled after the pre-legislative consultation. In 2020, the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment launched a rehabilitation-focused initiative in 10 cities, including Mumbai. The Mental Health Care Act 2017 provides for the care of homeless persons with mental illness, but broader welfare measures remain inadequate. Conclusion: criminalizing begging undermines human rights and deepens the cycle of poverty. A more effective approach would involve addressing the root causes through inclusive policies, social welfare programs, skill development, and mental health support. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about Bombay Prevention of Beggary Act 1959. The Bombay Prevention of Beggary Act 1959 was the first law in India to address begging. The act focused solely on beggars in urban areas and did not apply to rural regions. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.